Hi Tom, 3 points, good performance.
So yeah, we know we can be better, but we'll obviously take it in the end. Can't give teams a 2-goal head start at any level. It gets more and more difficult, but we certainly didn't lose any belief at half time. We knew we had enough in there to claw it back. It's not easy when you're leaving it to chance if you've got to score 3 in a game, but
it was tough conditions the first half and came out second half completely different.
Yeah,
different
we're probably
team.
a bit guilty of playing the conditions, to be honest, and going a little bit long, a bit quickly. We need to be a little bit more composed and try and pass it, which is what we're good at. And the gaffer said that at half time. He said we need to get back to what we do, and you can see the difference in the second half of what that made. Yeah.
Lewis scored another worldy goal to get us back into it.
Unbelievable, yeah. When he steps out, you know he's going to find a pass or he's got that in his locker. But we've got that all over the pitch. You look at the lads who have come on, made a massive difference. We've got lads on the bench who would, if they get in the team and we win, they stay in because they're that good players. So the whole squad pushes each other, but it's good competition.
Yeah, it is.
All over.
It's something noticeable from last season when we have brought players on. They are, like you say, first team quality, and they're performing really well.
They want to be starting at the end of the day, like everyone does. So if they're coming on, everyone knows you need to put in a performance to try and stay in the team. Creamer comes on, scores. James comes on as well. Downsy as well. The lads who they've come off for have had half decent games as well, and they've had good games previously before that, so everyone's pushing each other all the time. And it's the only way for it to be successful, definitely.
Bit of a break from the league next week, but a big game against Connors Quay. What are your thoughts on that one?
To be honest, not even thought about it.
Right.
And we've discussed it slightly, but we've been focused on game by game. So I'm sure this week we'll do a bit of work on it. We know it'll be a totally different challenge. Obviously a really good team, doing really well in the league above us. So we'll go as underdogs. We'll give it our best shot as we always do. Work as hard as we can and see where it takes us, which is what we did last year, and we had a decent run in it. We want to try and replicate that again.
Okay. Good luck and safe journey home.
Cheers,
Thank you.